Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to learn the chapter 4 where it is related to the chapter 3 which we done in the previous video. So if you have not checked out my previous video, the link is there in the description, and today we are going to continue the previous lesson. So if you remember guys, this was the small code segment that we did in this video, the previous one. So you can see I made a project called Meow Moves. I named it from here. And what was happening in this video, whenever I click on the green tab, so see my meow, it makes a meow sound. Who's meow here? It's the cat. But I said that it starts the sound. But if it is moving and it is starting the sound forever, which we can see here, everything is inside forever. So everything which is inside forever, that means it is keep on happening until I press the red stop button. So what am I supposed to do so that I can hear the meow every time the cat moves and not all the time? So in that case, what I will do, I will go to the sounds from the coding palette, not from here. The above part of sounds is basically the library. And guys, I explained you what library is, right? I'm going to remove this. This is how we remove the instructions. We put them back. And I will add this back. And I'm going to use this sound. Play the meow sound until it's done. See? So every time the cat moves, it plays the sound of meow. So now, one more thing that I can do is, I can increase the number of steps to match it with the pace of the cat, the speed with it's moving. Let's make it 50. Let's see that. See, every time it's moving 50 steps. That means from here to here were the 50 steps, now here and so on. And because I have added the instruction that if on edge bounds, that means the moment when the cat reaches the end of the screen, it is going to come back. And as I have set the rotation style is how the cat is supposed to move. So if it is rotating left to right, that means the cat will be moving in the left to right direction. If I make it as all-round movement, so it is going to move around the screen. So in today's video guys, what we are going to do is, we are going to make a cat move as if it is properly moving. Because see, when I click here, the cat is moving. The cat is moving, but the feet, they are constant. You can see the feet. So today we are going to add animation for the cat, and we are going to make it as if it is moving with the help of its legs. So let's come to the costumes part. Because when we come to the costumes, there we can edit the movement of the cat. See, it already has some movements. So what I can do here is, I can come to code and I can work with the looks. Because looks in the coding palette, it helps us to add the costume instructions. Costume is the different looks of a sprite. And here the cat look like that it is moving. So see, this was the code where I was playing the sound. But now if I have to, like I told you, if I have to switch between the costumes. So I have two costumes and I should make it look like as if it is moving. So what I can do here is, I can come to the looks and I can take switch costume, or I can take next costume. But because I just have two costumes, so I will be using the next costume command. And when I'm going to use it, after one movement is complete. So this is entire one movement. So when we talk about loops, here forever is a loop, and this type of loop is called as an infinite loop, something which is keep on happening. So infinite is something which will keep on happening until we stop the game or stop the animation with the help of this red button. So what will happen? As you can see, there is a little arrow here, the white color. So entire thing will keep on happening until we press the red button. So that means the cat will move for 10 steps, and with each step it is going to play the sound until it's done. I'm not using start sound here, I'm using play sound. Play sound means each meow will occur and it will occur inside the forever loop. And the cat is going to rotate into left to right movement. That means like this. And when it reaches the edge, it is going to bounce and come back. And when it comes back, it is going to record a next costume movement. So let's see how does our cat looks like. So can you see? See here of the cat. See this movement. So this is how we are making the cat move, and it looks like that it is actually moving. How come? Why? Because we are letting the feet of the cat move with the help of costume switching. Costume switching means we are switching between the costumes. So now if I add this outside, that means the meow sound will come. And if I even remove the meow sound, let me just take this outside the loop. Now let's see. See, it seems that the cat is running. See, because I just added place meow sound until done. So until done means till the time it meows, it is going to look like as if it is moving 10 steps. So because it was matching the speed of the meow sound. So here when I took out the command of the sound, so you can see it seems that the cat is running. I can add it here. And I can again start. See, so it just does one time because now it is outside the loop. And if I place it inside the loop, same thing will happen. It's moving slow. And if I just add start sound, then let's see what happens. And see. So it is going to like repeatedly meow, but not until the entire sound is complete, like the first one. So this is how we can play with the sounds. But see, the animation looks perfect, that as if it is moving every time it is running. If I want my cat to run slow, I'm going to simply reduce the steps. Where am I going to reduce the steps? By coming inside move steps. So you can always change the number of steps you want your sprite to move or the animation. I will make this 5 instead of 10. So let's deal with this here and make this as, suppose I make this as 5. So now it looks like the cat is moving slowly. It's not moving that fast, just like it was moving in 10 steps. I can also make it 2 steps. See, same way. And if I want my cat to run very fast, I make it 20 steps, which is running. So in next video, we are going to make a game where we are going to make it as if somebody is chasing the cat. Alright guys, so if you want somebody to chase the cat or you want cat to chase a mouse, let me know in the comment section below and we are going to add it in the next animation. Till then, take care. Bye-bye guys. Keep practicing your coding skills and keep practicing little programs so that you know how this animation can be made. Always and always share your projects with me. You can drop me your email, you can drop me in the comment section, and keep practicing and keep learning. Thank you so much. Before leaving, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment on the video. Thank you so much.